Getting rich has been a dream for many people, and the internet has made it possible for anyone with an internet connection to create wealth. In this video, we will explore various ways on how to get rich by using the internet. There are numerous reasons why someone may want to be rich. Firstly, financial wealth can provide you with the freedom to pursue your passions and live the life you desire. With financial independence, you can afford to travel, invest in your education, or start your own business without the constraints of financial worry. Furthermore, being rich can provide you with security and stability for yourself and your loved ones. You can ensure that your family is taken care of, and you can leave a legacy that can benefit generations to come. Secondly, being rich can provide you with the ability to give back to your community and make a positive impact on the world. You can donate to charities or start your own foundation to support causes that are important to you. With financial wealth, you can also invest in environmentally sustainable projects or support research for critical global issues such as health and poverty. In summary, being rich provides you with not only personal benefits, but also the ability to make a difference in the world around you. Start a blog or website. Starting a blog or website is one of the most popular ways to make money online. It is a platform to share your expertise, opinions, and experiences. With a blog, you can create content that appeals to your target audience, attract traffic, and monetize your website. To start a blog, you need to identify your niche, choose a domain name, and set up your website. Once you have set up your website, you need to create quality content that is useful and engaging to your target audience. You can then monetize your blog by placing ads, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is another popular way to make money online. It is a form of marketing where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale you make. To become an affiliate marketer, you need to find a product or service that you believe in and promote it to your audience. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to build trust with your audience by providing valuable content, recommending products that align with your audience's interests, and being transparent about your affiliate relationships. Sell products online. Selling products online is another way to make money online. You can sell physical products or digital products such as ebooks, courses, or software. To sell products online, you need to identify a niche, create a product, set up an online store, and promote your products. To succeed in selling products online, you need to have a solid marketing strategy that includes social media marketing, email marketing, search engine optimization or SEO, and paid advertising. Become a freelancer. If you have a skill that is in demand, you can become a freelancer and offer your services online. Freelancing allows you to work on your own terms, choose your own clients, and set your own rates. Some of the most in-demand freelancing services include writing, web development, graphic design, and social media management. To become a successful freelancer, you need to identify your niche, build a portfolio of your work, set up a website, and promote your services on freelancing platforms and social media. Invest in cryptocurrency. Investing in cryptocurrency has become a popular way to make money online. Cryptocurrency is a digital asset that is designed to work as a medium of exchange. The most popular cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are many other cryptocurrencies available. To invest in cryptocurrency, you need to create an account on a cryptocurrency exchange, buy cryptocurrency using fiat currency or other cryptocurrencies, and hold the cryptocurrency until the value increases. However, cryptocurrency is a volatile investment, and it is important to do your research and invest wisely. Investing in cryptocurrency can be an exciting and potentially profitable opportunity, but it's important to approach it with caution and well-planned strategy. Firstly, you need to understand the basics of cryptocurrency and how it works. You can start by researching the different types of cryptocurrencies available, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Once you have a basic understanding of the market, you can start to research the potential risks and rewards of investing in specific cryptocurrencies. The next step is to choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange and create an account. You can choose from various exchanges such as Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. After creating your account, you will need to link it to your bank account or credit card to start purchasing cryptocurrencies. It's important to start with a small investment and gradually increase your investment as you gain more experience and confidence in the market. You should also diversify your portfolio by investing in multiple cryptocurrencies to spread your risk. Finally, you should always stay up to date with market trends and news to make informed decisions about your investments. Create and sell online courses. Creating and selling online courses is another way to make money online. Online courses are in demand as more people are looking for ways to learn new skills and improve their knowledge. To create and sell online courses, you need to identify a topic, create a course curriculum, record video lessons, and upload them to an online course platform. To succeed in creating and selling online courses, you need to create quality content, promote your courses on social media, and offer value to your students. Selling online courses is becoming increasingly popular, and it's a great way to monetize your expertise and knowledge. First, you need to identify your niche and target audience. It's essential to create a course that meets the needs of your target audience and provides real value. Next, you need to create an engaging and informative course that is easy to follow. You can use various tools and platforms to create and host your course, such as Udemy, Teachable, or Thinkific. Once you have created your course, you need to promote it through social media, email marketing, and other online channels to reach your target audience. Finally, you need to price your course appropriately and provide excellent customer support to ensure customer satisfaction. With the right strategy and effort, you can successfully sell online courses and generate a passive income stream. Create a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel is another way to make money online. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and it offers opportunities for creators to earn money through advertising revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. To create a successful YouTube channel, you need to identify your niche, create quality content, and promote. Creating a YouTube channel is a straightforward process that anyone can do. First, you need to sign in to YouTube using your Google account. Once you have signed in, click on the user icon in the top right corner and select Create a Channel from the drop-down menu. You will then be prompted to choose between a personal or business account. If you're creating a channel for your business, you should choose the business account option. After choosing your account type, you will need to fill out your channel name and add a profile picture and cover art. Once you have completed these steps, you can start creating and uploading videos to your channel. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found the information useful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos on this topic and other related topics. Thank you again for your support, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.